So
tell me about this crane situation here. Did you see anything as far as anything that fell, perhaps?
yeah, so in that road there are like, I don't know if it's glass or ice chunks, but they're like these big chunks scattered all over that street, and like you basically step on it when you walk. That's basically all I saw.
And tell me about the block being shut down. How many blocks do you notice?
Well, I just arrived here, and there are like in 29th Street there are some shut down. It was impossible to get to 6th Avenue like this high up, so we had to go to like the 9th. Yeah.
Did you try to take the subway or anything like that? I heard the subway may be shut down as well.
I have no idea about that.
Did you hear about the guy who got struck by the train as well, by any chance?
No, I just arrived from another state, so.
Oh, okay. And how do you feel about this situation right now with you know, train shutting down the block and all that?
I'm confused because I just arrived, but it seems weird.
Did you notice if anybody was injured or anything like that?
No, I don't know anything.
Do you want to give your name?
No, it's fine. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye.
First day, well, for me, first day in New York, I'm loving it, and it is exciting.
The police and the traffic people did a great job of making sure nobody went through.
Right.
And so that made us feel pretty safe. It is kind of concerning that something could have fell on us, but
we didn't know that.
Yeah, but it's really good they had it blocked down.
Yes.
Yeah. And so we think they did a good job of making sure that people were safe.
How many blocks do you notice is shut down here?
It was hard for us to get in.
Yeah.
On our cab ride in. It was hard to get to the hotel. We weren't expecting it. No.
No,
we
not
weren't
at all.
expecting
It kind
it.
of threw you off, huh?
But it's not going to deter us from.
No.
It's not going to deter us from enjoying things.
And we're falling in love with New York already.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Etta. E-T-T-A.
Michelle.
Can you spell it?
Michelle.
And I gotta say,